4 things that helped me perfect intermittent fasting for weight loss. Number 1, there is so much crap information on the internet regarding weight loss that makes it super confusing to choose, so to speak, who to believe in what actually works in making that weight go down. But when you understand the simple formula of calories in versus calories out, it literally doesn't matter what anybody says. You will be able to distinguish the difference between the truth and BS. And the simple weight loss formula is this. If you're overweight, you're overeating. If you're not losing any weight, you're eating just at maintenance. And if you're underweight, you're obviously undereating, aka how to lose weight. Sure, doesn't sound like the prettiest thing in the world just because of the word undereating, but that is literally the weight loss equation, is to undereat. So point being, once you understand that weight loss equation, despite all this crap information on the internet, you'll know who's telling the truth and who isn't. Number 2, when you are using intermittent fasting specifically to lose some weight during the time that it is time for you to start fasting, what that means is to stop eating. I do not care if it is just a snack or if it is just something that somebody told you is only 5, 10, 15 calories. Stop eating. And it is not because that specific small little snack is going to make you fat. No, it is because once you start, it becomes very difficult to stop, thus making fasting in general useless. Okay? The purpose of intermittent fasting is teaching ourselves to be more disciplined, meaning that yes, there is a time that you can eat, and it doesn't necessarily have to be the healthiest diet in the world. You can eat, just don't overdo it. And then once the time comes for you to stop, you have to stop. No exceptions, okay? I do not care what anybody tells you. You cannot have these low-calorie meals or snacks during the time that you are supposed to stop eating. So stop, okay? Number 3, before you even begin your intermittent fasting journey, please, for the love of all that is weight loss, prepare your meals and stop looking at things that claim to be convenient for you, aka fast food, but are bad for you calorie-wise. You will regret it, I promise. So whatever day 1 is for you at the start of your week, I want you to know and plan exactly what you are going to put into your mouth. Gather all the supplies that you need, the ingredients, the Tupperware, every single thing that you need. Sit down and start preparing it. Do not look at fast food places in the outside world. Ignore all that. Just trust me, it makes your job so much easier. And sit down and prepare everything from day 1 to day 7. And repeat this process over and over again. Just do it. Don't think of random reasons why I'm wrong, because you know I'm right. And I guarantee you 100% success rate if you do this one thing correctly and also take action as well in doing it. And the last thing, are you ready? Once you understand all this, quit all your researching, because there's nothing else that you need to research as long as you have this specific information, which, by the way, if I haven't emphasized already, works. Continue doing all this for the next 2 to 3 months, depending on what your goal is, and be patient. I cannot emphasize enough how effective boring is. Like, if I told you this one thing works, then just keep repeating it over and over again, and I promise you, you will see the results come way faster than you think. Pun definitely intended. But anyway, that's all I gotta say about that. Hopefully you guys learned something, and if you did, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. Or if you didn't, still go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And with that said, I will see you guys in the next one.